I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Hi loves, it's your girl Morgan Sinclaire and I'm back again for another video. If you're new to my channel, hi love, how are you doing? Hit that subscribe button and welcome to my family. And if you're old to my channel, what it do, what is up, what's good? It's your girl back again for another video. Today I'm so excited to be doing a 30-day challenge. 30 days of skincare, and I'm going to be cleaning my skin with Bolden products. Guys, I always try to find new ways to keep my skin clear, clean, and I just want to be bold when I go out and I have no makeup on. So that's what I'm doing with Bolden today. In this video, I will be doing my skincare routine, showing you guys how I wash my face and everything in it. And then throughout the 30 days, I will be showing you how my skin progresses and how I look at the end of the 30-day challenge. So I'm so excited to be doing that. Hopefully these Bolden products are amazing. We're gonna try them out. This is a test trial, and hopefully you guys can use Bolden if this works out for me. I know you guys are looking at me like, Morgan, something's different with you. Yes, I have my glasses on. Today's a leisure day. I finally got an off day, thank God. So my glasses are on. You probably can see the ring light through my glasses. And then I have my natural hair out. This is actually a twist out. I actually kind of like it, you know, whatever. But if you want to see something like this on my channel, make sure you comment below. So it's a great Monday, and it's Monday here. It probably won't be Monday when you see this, but it's all good. And now we're going to get into the video. Let's go. Alright guys, here I am. My skin is ready to be cleaned. I am so cute with my natural hair and my little headband. Yes ma'am, you cute. And I have the Bolden products right there, ready and waiting. I have my cleansing makeup removing cloth. This cloth is really sensitive to skin. It's not as harsh as regular bathing cloths, washcloths are. So I use this when I'm washing my face. So let's get on to the sink. So now guys, I'm just dampening my face. I'll be using the cleanser. I'm trying to show you how much cleanser I'm using. Not that much, just a dot. And I'm going in with circular motions, mostly rubbing upward using my fingers with this cleanser. I found that rubbing upward, what's that called? You know, gravity will work horrors on your skin. So make sure you go against gravity, against the grain, and work upward. After, I will be washing my face and then towel patting with my soft makeup removing towel. I love this towel again. It's just as tough on my face, but gentle enough for my face. Next, I'll be using the toner and a sponge. It said use a cotton ball, but I felt like the sponge will work the same. And yeah, I'm just starting with my forehead, rubbing it to my neck, all the way over on my face. Make sure I get underneath my eyes and around my mouth. And that's it. Alright y'all, I've done my clean skincare routine with Bolden products. I would say that with me doing a new skincare routine, my skin gets kind of tingly. I don't know how other people's skin does, but I'm kind of worried about the tingle because I don't want to be allergic to it, you know? The cleanser was really, I could tell it was getting my pores, but with the toner, it feels like it's kind of sucking, but it's also tingling. Like I said, I'm afraid of being allergic to it or having a bad skin reaction. So we'll see how it goes without these 30 days. I'll be definitely continuing to show you guys my skin for the next 30 days, so we'll see how this goes. Yeah, that's all I can say about the cleanser. I have to use it morning and night, so I will be showing you nights and mornings how this looks. Today's a morning, obviously, so When the night comes, I'll show you how my skin looks. Let's pray to God it doesn't break out. Okay, so big problem for me, I feel like I have dark rings under my eyes, just because I just work a lot and go a lot and push a lot, and I barely kind of sleep. But I want to get rid of the dark rings. I am just not a fan. I don't know if you guys can see them, but they're there. But that's a big problem thing for me. So I don't really get pimples until I'm stressed. So working on, even in stressful situations, I want pimples to be gone. So hopefully these products will do it for me. Hopefully these products will work on my problem areas and actually keep me looking younger, because your girl trying to look 17 without makeup for the rest of her life. That's what somebody told me I look like. So let's keep moving on for the 30 days. Hopefully the 30 days are good to me and not bad to me. I'm excited but nervous because I want the skincare routine to work. All right, what's up guys? I'm back for another update. Well, my first update. This is the first week after my Bolden 30-day skin day challenge. I'm just like trying to update you guys on what's going on. So one thing I've noticed using this Bolden, I kind of had to stop. And the thing was, I really thought that the Bolden was kind of messing up my face. I got a lot of breakouts, a lot of dry spots, and I usually don't get those things. And also the toner was burning my face every time I used it. So I did a lot of research before I made the decision to stop. But my research was basically, you know, like reading the reviews and watching YouTube videos, and you know, for the most part all of the reviews were positive, and I was like, man, everything can't be positive, everything can't be this is great, this is amazing. Like, everybody's skin's different. So I kept reading. I found like a couple of reviews and like maybe one YouTube video that was like, you know, this burns my skin just like me, and it doesn't cleanse but it makes it worse. So that's what was happening with my skin, and I made the decision to stop. I stopped using the toner. I just didn't understand the whole meaning of it's gonna make your skin worse, you know, and then it gets better. I don't like messing up my skin for, you know, a cleanser, especially because my skin doesn't really get breakouts. I may get breakouts on my menstrual cycle or when I'm really stressed out, but for the most part I don't get a lot of breakouts or dry spots. So being able to walk outside with like dry spots and a lot of pimples was different for me. I also did a makeup challenge where I wasn't wearing any makeup, you know, when I went to work or went to school or whatever. So seeing how my face really reacts with the world and everything, and it wasn't the best. So I stopped using the cleanser, and I had a lot of breakouts. Now you can see my skin is clearing up from a lot of breakouts and it coming red. And because my skin's so sensitive, I did not realize that I don't really use toners in the beginning. And since I have sensitive skin, I never thought, you know, toner, I never had just a cleanser or a skin line that had a toner in it. With the toner, I read that it diminishes the appearance of dark spots, and to me that clicks, because it's like that's kind of for people who are who have hyperpigmentation or just, you know, dark marks on there, and I don't really have that dark marks on my face. My face is kind of clear. I should take off my glasses so you guys can see. I've been wearing my glasses a lot lately, but just I don't have dark marks, and I don't have, you know, a lot of blemishes or anything like that. So it's purifying your skin for that. And since I don't have it and my skin is really sensitive, and then I was reading the ingredients and it had acid in it, and I was like, maybe my skin is not taking well to the acid part. Just thinking about all the things that are just going on. So I think this week my new thing is I'm going to just use the cleanser, take away the toner, and just use the cleanser with the moisturizer and see how that works. Relatively, I already said my skin is like clearing up from what was happening. I was just really embarrassed because I was like, dang, my skin has never looked this bad. Even my parents were like, what are you doing? So I stopped using it after like the 4th time within the 7 days. So I had 3 days to like kind of clear it up, and I had just been washing my face regularly. But now I'm just go back with the cleanser and see just the cleanser and a moisturizer that I use and see how that works to determine if it is just a toner or if it's just the skincare line and just not for me, because everyone's skin is different. Like I said, everyone has different skin, everyone has different everything, so you can't maybe judge by the reviews, but you have to try it yourself. So me experimenting with this will let you guys know if this is a good product for you if you have skin like mine. So we'll see if the cleanser opens my pores and get a lot of dirt out of it, because that's what the cleanser's for, and see if it brightens up my skin. So I'll be back again for another week and show you guys hopefully how it does. Hopefully it's positive. All right, y'all, this is I think week 3. Yeah, week 3 with the cleanser. I know last week I told you guys that I'm not doing the toner anymore, so now I just washed my face. It's getting back like clear, not really pimples, no breakouts. I'm getting back to my normal self. So I figured out that the toner was the issue, and if your skin is unproblematic, then you really don't need the toner. So for me, I just used the cleanser and a really good moisturizer, and I think it's doing the job. Skin updates, let's see. Like I said, I noticed I didn't have any redness anymore. The redness is gone. My skin is finally getting back to one color, and I don't have as many pimples as I was like breaking out really bad when I was using the toner. So it's now my skin is kind of reversing and going back to what it was. The cleanser does do a really deep cleanse. I had on makeup today, so there's no makeup on. I didn't use anything else. I just used the cleanser, so there's no makeup on my face, which I appreciate. So we appreciate this cleanser for actually doing its job. So I think this is a good update. My skin is not as oily as usual, so that means it's doing good, and I'm doing more and more days of going outside without makeup, so I think that's a good sign using this cleanser and just the cleanser only. So I think that's good for my update. See you next time for the next update. All right, guys, this is the last week for Bolden. I just got done washing my face. Me in my ugly sweats, ugly t-shirt, and twist out. So, but background of what I was doing: a 30-day challenge with Bolden products, the skin clarifying cleanser and the toner. Like I said in previous weeks, toner is not for me. I just had a rough time within the 30 days with the toner. It made my skin really rough, red, blemishes, which I don't really get. And so I'm a person who doesn't believe in making my skin worse to get better. I just don't think that's how you heal. I don't think that's how you fix things. So I had to X-nay on the toner. We had to cut that out, period, and just go for just the cleanser and a moisturizer. And I think that has been working. I finally purified my skin enough to where it like was, you know, like it's getting better. You can see, you know, I'm clear skin for the win. So I would say something that I kind of noticed, which is good because I've been wearing little to no makeup throughout these 30 days. I've noticed that my skin doesn't retain oil as much as it has been in the past. So I guess this cleanser is really purifying and opening up my pores and taking that oil and sucking it out. So I appreciate it, you know, but it also gives me a good glow, which is something that I really like and really need, especially when I wear no makeup. I guess last thing I'm gonna say about the toner and be done with, I've talked to a lot of people about toners and how toner works on their skin, and you know, I've talked to a lot of people who use toner and a lot of people who don't use toner, and they were basically saying that the people who do use toner was like, toner helps, you know, with clearing up blemishes. And I go and look at their skin and I'm like, so your skin don't look no clearer, it ain't helping. So, but like I said earlier, like everyone's skin reacts to different things differently, so you have to find that happy medium for your skin, and for me it's not toner. That was my whole quick on the toner thing. About the cleanser, I liked it. It purifies, it got my pores real well. I'm not oily, especially in my nose and my T-zone. I get oily so much and it's just so nasty. But I think using Bolden has helped clear up all of that, which I appreciate. I would say all in all, the cleanser is something that you can invest in. If you know your skin works with toner, then you can invest in that as well. Good moisturizers help throughout the process. I made sure that I moisturize my face every time that I washed it with the cleanser, every time, like every time. So moisturizers definitely help in getting that glow to come out and nourishing your skin, putting that moisture back in your skin, because ultimately you're taking the moisture out. That is it for my 30-day Bolden challenge. My ultimate goal was to just get a better glow and clearer skin, and I think this has helped. So I thank you guys for tuning into this video. I hope you guys can try this Bolden out for 30 days, see how you like it. Make sure you comment down below and let me know about this video, and let me know if you tried Bolden yet. Also, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up for this video. Especially don't forget to subscribe. And lastly, don't forget to follow me on social media, morgan_Sinclaire on all my social media platforms. I love you guys so much. Love you lots. Peace.